Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to NCX Tech. Today we're covering the top 10 most useful keyboard shortcuts to make your workflow smoother, faster and just more fun. These little tricks can save you lots of time and make your Ubuntu journey way more efficient. So let's get started. So first we have super key. Tap the super key, also known as the Windows key, to open the activities overview. So from here you can search and launch apps, open files and even switch workspaces instantly. Super Plus tab. This is a quick app switcher, cycle through open applications. It's great when multitasking, and hold shift to reverse the direction. Super Plus backtick. We can use this shortcut to switch between the windows of the same application, perfect for working with multiple docks or browser tabs. Alt plus F2. This opens a lightweight command prompt. Quickly run any app or command without opening the full terminal. Super Plus A. This opens the applications overview. It is a fast way to view and launch installed applications. Super Plus page up or page down. This switches between virtual workspaces. This keeps your work organized by separating apps into different spaces. Shift plus Super Plus page up or down. This moves your current window to another workspace. It's a super clean way to organize clutter. Control plus Shift plus C or V. We can use this to copy and paste in the terminal. These are must know if you spend any time working in the command line. Super plus L. This locks your screen instantly. It is a quicker way to secure your session if you are stepping away. Press the print key to capture a custom area. Or you can press Alt plus print key for the current window. Or Shift plus print to take a screenshot of the whole screen. It's a fast and simple way to take a screenshot. And that wraps up our top 10 Ubuntu keyboard shortcuts. I hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please like the video, subscribe and turn on notifications for more Linux tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.